Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to save high resolution image from Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to save high resolution image. At first, insert this image. Go to the insert menu, select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then resize the image. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, or apply more style. Now I am select the image and go to the color option and change the color. Click the artistic effect option. We can see here many effects. You can choose any effect. Now you can correction the image. Now you want to save the image, click right button. We can see here not available the saving image option. You want to save this image, take a screenshot. Select your picture screenshot area and save the image from your computer. Click save. Now we can see we save high resolution image in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.